Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time.
Hey, let's play Simon Says. When I say Simon Says jump, you jump. When I say Simon Says shout hooray, you shout hooray. But if I don't say Simon Says first, don't move. And that's how we play the game. Are you ready? Simon says, jump! Simon says, touch your toes! Simon says, stomp your feet!
Stomp, 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 stomp.
Wiggle your ears! Did you wiggle your ears? I didn't say Simon says. Let's play again. Simon says, hop like a frog.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Simon says, shout hooray! Simon says, slap your knees. Roll your eyes. Did you roll your eyes? I didn't say Simon says. Let's play again. Simon says, fly like a plane. Simon says, moo like a cow. Simon says, wiggle your fingers. Touch your nose. Did you touch your nose? I didn't say Simon says. And that's how we play Simon Says.
My favorite game to play is Simon Says, Tag, Hide and Seek, Stop and Go.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Today is Tuesday.
In this song, I'm going to teach you the 12 months of the year. Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. All right, now let's try to sing them together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year.
Did you know that there are 4 seasons in every year? What's your favorite season?
If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, clap your hands. If you know all the seasons, you've got 4 terrific reasons to shout out and name the seasons. Clap your hands.
If you really love the winter, go like this. If you really love the winter, go like this. 'Cause the winter is the season when your nose is always freezing and you're shivering and sneezing. Go like this.
In the spring you run and play and shout hooray. Hooray! In the spring you run and play and shout hooray. Hooray! In the spring the grass is growing and the gentle breeze is blowing and the warmer sun is glowing. Shout hooray! Hooray!
Well, if you really love the summer, stamp your feet. If you really love the summer, stamp your feet. In the summer you can play and swim and camp and fish all day. All summer, please don't go away. Stamp your feet.
If you really love the autumn, slap your knees. If you really love the autumn, slap your knees. When it's beginning to get cold and the leaves turn red and gold, then it's back to school you go. Slap your knees.
The weather is. The season is.
Kids, let's make some shapes. First, we're going to make a circle. So we're going to start at the top, circle and stop. There's our circle. Next, we're going to make a triangle. Start at the top, slide down, across the bottom, climb up. There's our triangle. Next, we're going to make a rectangle. Little line down, big line across, little line up, big line across. There's our rectangle. Next shape is going to be a trapezoid. Little line across, slide down, big line across, slide up. There's our trapezoid. Next, we're going to make a hexagon. So we're going to make 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's a hexagon. Alright, our last shape is going to be a rhombus. So we're going to slide down the other way, slide up the other way. And there's a rhombus. Alright, thank you for making shapes with me. Have a good day.
All done.